We did this already. Yeah. Thank you so much. You're welcome to. No, you don't. You overgrown alligator. Also, you know, raccoon. You know, like a raccoon, like the one that eats trash. Um, to the one to be here, if you're not, bringing back all the memories. Memories bring back, memories bring back. Lurkin, I see. Thank you for lurking, Jada. Yeah, my country is Smally, small boy. Oh, you ran both. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Thank you for the hot pass as well. Yeah. Where is she? I think I don't have to.
Are you lost?
In history. Yeah. Where is she? Where Roxy? Hello. Hello. Oh, welcome. Thanks. Oh, you wait. Where am I? Oh, okay. This is the other side. I see. Learn another thing. Oh, Belgium. Uh, American Queen. That's also true. Oh, she was there.
I can help.
No, you don't. Wait. Hmm.
I've heard that. Are you hungry?
No, Zappy. Ah! Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Hide.
Give up.
Adrian. Oh,
You
I'm gonna get found. I'm gonna follow. I didn't expect her to turn around. So where do I go now? Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Bet you don't even have. A great day. That may be true. So welcome. Yes. Got caught it bugged. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I have no idea. It's broken.
Are you
Yeah, actually, I could go for some. Oh, what? I'm safe from her. Game, take the hydration. Wait, where's Freddy? You're killing the bird. Can you not call Freddy now? Um, Freddy? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Where am I? I'm here. What are my missions? Oh, I have to do this again. Hello, freedom. I have to do this again. Phaser blast. Woo! Where are you? There's no one here, so we're fine. Yes, please. Okay, that's kind of cute. A cute place. Hey, hello, princess. How are you doing? We broke the game, so we gotta do this again. Tell me. Shaking. You can staff only yourself. You didn't do this? I did.
You have captured the flag. Time to defend.
Sorry, Earthstone.
Nice shot. Is this new?
Capture the flag.
Here, hello.
Mermaid to A, 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 mermaid to A.
Oh, yeah. This not. I did this one already. Ah! Oh, hype train. Wait, what? Yep. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Thank you so much for that. For the tier 1 for 4 months. Okay, thank you. That can sweet. Okay, now we need to do one more. Where is that one? Here.
Well done, Superstar. You won the Phasma Blaster. Now, go collect your prize from the Superstar Lounge.
I'm sorry. Okay, look, hello. Every time Freddy calls me Superstar, I go.
Not the Phasma Blaster, but you had to use your party pass. If you find the security office, I am sure you will find something that will help you.
Me, etc. Hello. Also, I gotta get that song. Wait, can I not go here anymore? Wait. Oh, I just follow. Hello. I do need to find a place to save. Yeah. Is there a place to save? Or is it just danger? My man. You just teleported in front of me. I think this is also broken. I have pets. Oh frick, low power. Let me go here. And there's safe. I think there's a safe thing here. In the office? You mean the one I got? You mean this one? I can do this. It's scary. Oh wait, what? This one.
What amazing
Oh,
luck! You got an annual Bonnie Bowl Unlimited Pass. Free bowling for a whole year. Mega Pizzaplex entry not included. Shoe and ball rental fees still apply.
Did you so? Gregory, you have to get Rux's OnlyFans pass. No, just spicy. Yes, I said it. I'm spicy. From Russia. Oh, nice. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Welcome to the galaxy. Look at the hydration. Let me just pursue this. Can I go in here? Where? Don't look at me like that. I will do this first. In danger. You're Angel Laura. Think of the follow. Oh my god. You do. Wait,
I do not come up here anymore. I miss him.
aw. It's mad place to follow. Oh, that's scary. This thing scared me a little bit. Oh, there's stuff here. Left. Kitchen where Chica is. Oh, you mean, start. Oh, there he is. What? Oh, the bell's starting. How did I get there? Oh wait, I think I remember. It's the ground floor, right? Something with the ground floor. And then let me grab my feet. That's a blaster. Oh, there's so many. Basement 2. Oi, 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 oi. Dirt. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. I think we're at the right place. What? How so? Well, he's been helping me for a while. Yeah, it is. It is buggy. It is very buggy. Found it. Hide. Let me hide. Sandwich in the kitchen. But oh. Let's see. That's a bun. Oh no. Hide. Gregory, why are you so strong? Oh, fun. You see that small phantom? Another safe slot. Just yes. Weird if I'm on this. Boy. Tree generators? Wait. Or. Oh. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, maybe the follow. It'll be terrifying. Oh no! I got the voice box right. I mean, I do have the voice box right. You know what? Let me make a new save just to be sure. Slot. Grabbing the pink. Saved yet again, yeah. Of course. Generators. Aww. You experiment paradise. The sewers. Frick is that? Oh. Rocky Hill. This is so scary. Wait. Someone so KG, I'm gonna fall. I'm scared. Someone lives here. Oh no. Oh fuck. Maria, I'm doing well. How are you doing? Uh. Wait. Someone so KG, I'm gonna fall. I'm scared. Someone lives here. Oh no. Oh fuck. Maria, I'm doing well. How are you doing? Uh. Oh, I see one generator. Oh. It's not gonna be fun. I can already smell it. Go through there. There's cameras in the sewers? I mean, apparently. Oh, I'm here. We had to hurt more. Take a map. Take a map, please. Take a map. And just. Dodge. See, so I had to see a big coming. This looks very suspicious. But I can only see this part. That's literally the only thing I can see. Sexual, hello! It's been a while. How you doing? How was your... Oh. This will be my catch. In here. Zap one, Zap tries. Zap, you're real good. No, for short text it's only in the definitive. Bumblebee, hello. Welcome. You do not Spanish? No, I do not. I do not speak Spanish. That's what you ask. Hey, William Boy Gamer. There's a Vanny. What the frick? No. Scream. Grown-ups only. This is my home. Present. The sky. Grown-ups only. Coding. Ice cream. Miss Fanny. Did spring lock on you? No! Do not want that. No. Ooh. I hate this so much. Run, run, run. Oh. Panic. All limbs reference to another FNAF game, maybe. Oh, frick. I can teach you Spanish. I don't know if I can, cause the words. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.